So, I finally caved and tried athletic greens. You know, that fancy green powder everyone on Instagram seems to be obsessed with. I'll admit, I was skeptical. Can a scoop of something in my water really make that much of a difference? Here's my breakdown after a month of using it. Pros. Convenience wins. I'm not gonna lie. The biggest win for me is how easy it is. No more chopping a million vegetables to try and cram my daily nutrients in. Scoop, shake, done. The energy boost is real. I do notice a subtle but lasting energy increase, especially in the afternoons when I usually slump. It's focused, not jittery, like too much coffee. My tummy feels happier. All those probiotics and digestive enzymes seem to be doing their thing. Less bloating, more regularity. We won't go into details. Unexpectedly tasty. I was ready to choke it down, but it's slightly sweet, a bit fruity. Not amazing, but not the horror show I imagined. Cons. Ouch, my wallet weeps. This stuff is expensive, like way more than buying healthy groceries. It's a tough investment to justify. The taste is growing on me. It's not bad, but it's not good either. Some days I look forward to it. Others I have to hype myself up. Am I a health influencer now? Okay, this is silly, but it feels pretty trendy. Like, should I be taking aesthetic photos of my green drink? Thank you for watching. Get a special offer by following the link in the description.